There is something about walking into a space that just smells nice and is calm and is just beautiful. So, here are just a few things that I do to ensure that my space is always smelling really, really nice, not overwhelming, just fresh and clean. So, the first thing I do is open the windows or open the doors, and then when it comes to wiping down surfaces, I love to use an antibacterial an antibacterial spray that is not too overwhelming or too overpowering, just to make sure that my surfaces are clean and don't have any germs on them. The next thing that I love doing is candles. I'm quite obsessed with candles, so this is the first one in this video. I have a lot of them. So this is the wild berry scented candle. I got this from B&M. It's really, really subtle. It's not overpowering. It's not extremely scented. It's just a subtle, nice lighted candle. I don't use it that often, but when I do, it creates both ambience and just a subtle, beautiful scent. When it comes to cleaning, I love vacuuming. Just like everyone else, vacuum before you clean. So I vacuum my whole space. Here I'm just vacuuming the carpet, just to get rid of any dust particles that might have settled on it. And then when it comes to cleaning my floors, I love using a scented cleaner, and this from Fabulosa is really, really nice. It's the lemon sherbet scent, really nice, really citrusy. So you just add like 1.5 cups of it, and I follow it up with some hot water.
Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, baby.
Next up, some fabric refreshers. So I use this one from Fabrice, and I use it on both the couch fabric and the rug. So one thing with fabric refreshers, I use them as finishing touches, just 1 or 2 spritz on the rugs, the curtains, the couches, in the bedroom. I love this scent, to be honest, and it blends in so well. Sometimes I even make my own, just water and a few drops of essential oils and a bit of alcohol just to help it blend in. But the store-bought one is better because you just buy it and do it. But if you have extra time, you can just make your own using some essential oils. The next thing that I really, really love is some plug refills. So one thing with plug refills, they work even when you're not in the house. Like for candles, you have to be in the house, you have to be the one checking them out, because you just can't light a candle and go to work. So the refills, I put them at the entryway, and at the entryway, when you walk into the house, it brings in that beautiful scent. And the best thing with these refills, you can use them at maximum or minimum depending on your preference. So when you're out of the house, you can put it on maximum. When you're in the house and maybe you've opened your windows and maybe you've just lit a candle, you can put it on minimum. So the next thing that I wanted us to talk about is these beautiful wax melts. So for wax melts, I use them most of the times after a nice cleanup and I just want my room to smell nice. So these are the alternative, and they're really cheap, so they're really accessible. I have the pomegranate one, the Myron Tonka one. Those two, the previous two ones, are really stronger compared to the golden vanilla one, which which is a bit settle. The happy one is also a settle one. I have a combination of strong ones and settle ones, and also the Santorini one. The happy one and the Santorini one, I got them as the same B&M, but I've not yet tried the Santorini one, so I'll definitely tell you what I think about it. The sleep one, I always light it up when I'm going to sleep. Such beautiful amber and violet scent. And finally, the two additions, the star of this part of the video, which is the Yankee Candles lavender and sugared strawberries. So I want to try the lavender one because it's so lovely. We're just going to light that up right now. And as I'm doing this voiceover, I've already smelt it in my room. It is really intense, so I'd advise you to just light one up in one room, and I'm sure it will spread or diffuse into the other rooms in the house. So if you don't want it to be too overpowering, you can just use one for one room instead of using like two wax smells in two different rooms, because then it will be too overpowering. And if you don't love overpowering scents, this is a bit intense compared to the Myron Tonka and the pomegranate one and the happy one and the Santorini one from B&M. So let us just light it up and enjoy the beautiful scent. I wish you guys will just feel how warm and lavendery, if there's such a word, this scent is, to be honest. When it comes to kitchen surfaces, I enjoy using the kitchen cleaner or any other just kitchen cleaner spritz. It works really well and it melts down all the grease, so that's why it's important for you to get one written kitchen cleaner. And then for my fridge, I use the Pro Hygienizer detergent. It's a really good one, to be honest. It really helps with the extra hygiene in the fridge and the refrigerator. So I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a really nice video. Remember to subscribe and like and comment down below some of the things that you'd like to see.